All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up, movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up, movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.60. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody! Happy Sunday to everyone. Chris here. How's everybody doing? Of course, when you see big green candles, everybody's feeling a lot better than we were the past week or so, aren't we? This is what can happen in crypto. It's a crazy, crazy business, isn't it? A crazy business this crypto is. But we got a pump going. Dogecoin up over 12%. We've got some others up a lot more. We will talk about that, what's going on, all of that. Of course, most of you already heard the news, but I'm here this afternoon to tell you from my perspective how I see things. And yeah, I mean, did you see my March price prediction video? It was green. Now we've already got half of those gains from my March price prediction video. And it could go higher. We'll see. We'll see how things go. You know, Doge can pump. That is for sure. How's everybody doing? Let's get into it. Let me drop down here in the corner. And look, do you see that white line there? You see where that white line ended? Right there. Do you know what that white line is, guys? That white line is what I drew on the Friday live stream. And I said, you know, after we had that V shape, right? And we were coming back up, I said, well, we're not going to get that full recovery. It's probably going to die out and go sideways. And I ended that line right there. That's where I ended the line. Right there. And boom. Big run up, right? From the song, right? All eyes on Doge. Big run up. Well, it's a start. I mean, 23-cent Doge. I know a lot of you. Come on, where's that 30-cent Doge? 40-cent Doge? That will come. And as I've been saying, the bull run is not over yet. And I hear something, oh, the Bears. Well, the Bears aren't going to be here today, are they? No Bears today. No Bears today. No, I'm going to wait till it drops down to 10 cents to buy back in. Yeah, good luck with that. Good luck with that. So what's going on? Well, you guys have heard the news. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, and we'll talk about those five in particular in just a minute. They surge as President Trump confirms the U.S. will establish a crypto strategic reserve. Wow, on a Sunday. Where did that come from? It was like, whoa. Where did that come from? Yeah, Joseph, we'll look at that. Look, I got that all lined up here for the liquidations. We'll get there. But yeah, that is what happened. Let's take a look. Now, I don't know what happened with the Donald Trump. I mean, these are, I'm guessing these are pictures from Truth Social because it's got that little pink thing on it. So these are Truth Social posts, not X posts, tweets, whatever. So all we can see on X are the images from Truth Social. A U.S. crypto reserve. Yeah, let me blow this up for you so you guys can see this, right? Here we go. A U.S. crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the Presidential Working Group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve. It doesn't say Bitcoin. It doesn't say Bitcoin strategic reserve. It says crypto strategic reserve. Big difference. And then he says it includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. It's like, why did he point out those three? XRP, Solana, and ADA. I will make sure the US is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. That totally freaked out the Bitcoin maxis. Donald Trump then followed up about an hour later. And obviously, Bitcoin and ETH, as other valuable cryptocurrencies, will be at the heart of the reserve. I also love Bitcoin and ETH. So, other valuable cryptocurrencies. So, here's what I posted, tweeted out. A US crypto reserve. The Bitcoin maxis are going crazy because the post includes alts, right? Will other valuable cryptocurrencies also include Dogecoin? That's a question. We don't know, but that doesn't stop Dogecoin from pumping because that's what Doge does. Good news, whether it's directly related to Dogecoin or not, leads to a Dogecoin pump. So Doge was all the way down here at 20.1 and pumped all the way up to a high of 23.5. And now we're just over 23. And we'll see whether that holds on or not. But that is what happened. Dogecoin is up 11.5%. Bitcoin is only up 8%, but it's still rising. So Bitcoin is being a little slower. ETH up to 24.88. Solana up to 172, all the way from 140. And the big one is ADA. Cardano. It was all the way down here at 64 cents. It pumped up over $1, up 55% in a day. 55%. So wherever Weiju is, I'm sorry, man. He said on Friday he sold all his ADA. And that's just like, man, how? That guy just has bad luck. I don't know. He sold all his ADA on Friday, and it goes up 54% on Sunday. That's why you need to be patient with crypto, guys. That's exactly why you need to be patient, because you never know when things like this are going to happen. You got to let the bull run play out. There have been so many bears. Bear market, we're in a bear market. And I'm just like, no, we're not. It's a pullback, guys. It's just a pullback. Yeah, Sally's dream. I got you. Oh, yeah, it's going to go back 15 cents. And the other big mover was XRP, of course, up 30% to $2.85. It just touched $3 on the run. So this is a good day today, guys. It's a good day. This is big stuff. And not only is it going to be an executive order, but we're going to have the presidential working group continuing to work on this, as well as this crypto summit on Friday. And I was kind of joking about it over the weekend that it would be this thing just about stable coins, right? It's going to be stable coins. No. Maybe President Trump heard me just joking about stable coins, and so he cleared it up this morning. CryptoBurb says, didn't have Trump calling alt season on my bingo card for 2025. Because then Trump followed up, this will be a tremendous alt season like you have never seen before. It will be so great, they will call it the Trump season. And of course, the Trump token then pumps 25%. So we got the Trump token going up too. The President of the United States calling alt season. Man, Satoshi Flipper says, promises made, promises kept. It's David Sachs, the leader of the Presidential Working Group on Cryptocurrency, also the crypto czar, right? President Trump has announced a crypto strategic reserve consisting of Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies. This is consistent with his week 1 executive order. President Trump is keeping his promise to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. More to come at the summit. Definitely an insider, Sally Stream. Yeah, I saw that this morning. They knew what was coming. Absolutely. 50x longs with so much money on Bitcoin and ETH. Somebody knew. Absolutely. And they bet it big time. The alt season tweet was a fake. The summit is on Friday. Watcher Guru says President Trump says other valuable cryptocurrencies will be included in the U.S. crypto reserve alongside Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, XRP, and ADA. We don't know what those other valuable cryptocurrencies will be. Master Kenobi says Doge, of course. And if Elon has anything to say, Elon might give a little Doge suggestion, right? Well, you got to have Doge in there too, right? Have Doge in there. Doge Meme Girl says, look, a U.S. crypto reserve isn't something that'll pop up overnight. An executive order could kick things off by directing agencies to explore the idea. That's just step one. It doesn't magically create the reserve. The real heavy lifting comes from Congress, which needs to pass a law to authorize and fund it. Then there's the regulatory maze. Agencies like the SEC, CFTC, and the Federal Reserve would need to sign off to ensure everything's legally all right. Maybe not the Federal Reserve. I don't think the Federal Reserve is part of that. But so just to keep it real, it's going to take a while. But crypto, as I have said again and again, crypto pumps on hype, right? Crypto pumps on what might happen, right? Or something that's going to happen, not necessarily on the actual news. Just like in the reverse, right? The tariffs, like I've been saying, crypto dumped on the news of the tariffs. The actual tariffs coming into play on Tuesday, probably not going to do anything because we already had the double dump from all the tariff nonsense. So the fear of the tariffs is what caused the markets to dump, not the tariffs themselves. Likewise, we get a pump on this news of something that's going to come in the future, but crypto pumps today. So, and of course, we've got March 14th. The government shutdown looms. House GOP struggles to secure votes. So there's stuff out there, right? There's the tariffs going into effect. There's a big government shutdown coming. March isn't over, guys. And like I said, I was like, there's going to be ups and downs. This is an up day. This is awesome. We will celebrate it today. But just remember, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. And we will have some pullbacks again. Although, so far, a 14.5% green for the month of March is a good start. And if you recall, I was talking about 2025 looking a lot more like 2017. Now, we did just survive the worst February in Dogecoin's history, down 38.5%. In 2017, it only was down 2.75%. But in March, Dogecoin pumped 59%. So 14, good start. It's going to be a bumpy ride, though. There's going to be a lot of volatility. There's going to be a lot of leverage plays. We're going to see up and down action. And maybe, just maybe, we see volume ticking up and FOMO kicking in when we see these big green candles, and everything goes up from here. And then we will look at the heat maps, but on the leverage side, all red, which means the shorts are getting squeezed out the shorts are the ones who are losing. $340 million of shorts on Bitcoin, 132 million on ETH, 71 on Solana, 54 or 71 on XRP, 54 on Solana, 54 on ADA, and Doge is down here with about 14 million liquidations on Doge. So that is, we were saying there's all these big, huge shorts up there that could get liquidated. Well, today's the day. We got a lot of them. There's a lot more up higher. A lot more up higher. But Bitcoin is at 93,800. It did peak up to 95. You know, before profit taking happens, trading happens, and now it's moving back up. And Doge at 23 cents. It's a start. It's a recovery coming back. But this is nice. So how you guys doing? That's what's going on. It's a good day. Happy Sunday, everybody. Now as I promised, I'm not drinking Budweiser anymore. And I've got two reasons for that. One, sitting in the nice house now, don't have to pinch my pennies. But two, this is a Modelo. A Modelo is imported from Mexico. Starting on Tuesday, these Modelos are going to be more expensive. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get some Modelos and I'm going to drink Modelos. So cheers, everybody, on a nice green day. Doge up 12% so far. Cheers. That is nice and smooth. Modelo hangover this morning. Yeah, the Modelo is good. But I was like, you know, they're going to be more expensive next week, so. Go for the cheap Modelos. I have a connection on cheap Modelos. Yeah. Johnny Walker Blue Label. Hey, we had Johnny Walker last week. Not the blue label, though. I still have the black label. Got a lot to drink on that still. I have a lot to drink on that. I do have to give a shout out to Sir Greg, though. Greg, thank you for the super chat. Many green, much like Wow Crypto, How Money, Kickoff March Right, like the stream, share, spread Doge to every dark corner. Let's go. Thank you, Greg. Thank you very much. Appreciate the super chat. It's a good day. It's a good day. And not only that, but you know what we're going to do later? We're going to have another Dogecoin giveaway. How about that? Another Dogecoin giveaway. Yes. During a KrissPax live stream. Thanks to DW. DW, happy birthday to you. And DW, do you know what DW is doing? DW is sharing Dogecoin. This is what DW is doing, sharing Dogecoin. And so we're going to have a nice giveaway a little bit later in the stream. Thanks to our friend DW. It was awesome. This is what it's all about, guys. This is what it's all about. Sharing the love of Doge, and especially on a nice, big, green candle. 2 cents away from the, I know, Raiden. I was like, I talked about 30 cents in the video, and then I was like, because 30 would make sense. We came from 40 all the way down to 20, then come back up to 30. And then I was like, you know, I'll stick with the 25. I should have stuck with the 30. I should have said 30. But it's still green month. All those say, oh, March is going to be red too, blah, 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 bear market, blah, blah, blah. But you know me, no. Overall picture is still good. It's a good day. Yes. Yeah, where is Mert? Where is Mom Taz? Where is MJ? Where are all of our bear friends? We got Anthony, right? He sold his 69 Doge. Remember that? Anthony sold his 69 Dogecoin. And Vaughn isn't even here yet. He's kind of the biggest bear of all. Not here. Licking his wounds, I guess. Licking his wounds. Cheers, Susan. Art scholar. All eyes on Doge. I know I didn't have a lime. I'm drinking it without a lime. I understand. I get it. Didn't have a lime. I know. Who sells 69 Dogecoin, Joseph? Well, he was gifted 69 Dogecoin and he sold. Sally's Dream has requested, I will provide.
All eyes on Doge. Big runner. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big runner. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge.
Always fun. Always a good time. So Ricky Man asks, when's the next time you guys buy Doge? Look for the next dip, man. There'll be a dip. There'll be dips along the way. Now, I always say you buy on the red candles, not the green. So you look for the red candles. There was one after the first run. There was a little pullback on a red. Came back down to 21 cents before then moving up higher to 23 cents. Will it dip back down to 21? We don't know. We don't know where this is going to go the rest of the day, tonight, what's going to happen tomorrow. But I always say, look for the dips. Now, of course, you guys know when I last bought, right? Right there in the green, 18.6 cents right there. Got a nice stash down at 18.6 cents on Friday on a nice red candle. And of course, because that was my payday, and I told everyone all last week, I'm not buying until Friday. And then what happened during the whole week? Doge price kept going down and down, lower and lower, just so it could accommodate me. I'm buying Dogecoin on Friday. So the Doge gods were looking out for Kriss, saying, we're gonna dump the price on Friday morning so Kriss can buy his Dogecoin at a low price, and then we'll go up from there. That Dogecoin that I bought at 18.6 is now up 26%. You're not going to get that with cash in a bank. And that was just in 2 days. It's just 2 days. So, hey, sometimes that's how it goes, guys. D-Jar. Imagine a Dogecoin reserve and the House of Doge News, and then an ETF. Big stuff. And none of that has anything to do with one Elon Musk. Well, Elon might have his fingers in some of this. We don't know yet. But that's big news. Thanks for the super chat. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Seeing the Modelo makes you sick. You were a degenerate this weekend, Richie? Well, hang in there. Hang in there. Elliot looking for Jasmine to go back to 3 cents. Yeah, that's where I took my Jasmine profit. It was just over, I was about 3.1. We could see it, Elliot. How much did Jasmine pump today? That's up 14.5. It's up over 2 cents and still going up. Jasmine looking very strong. Still going up. So alts are looking very good. We have a bunch of them continuing to move up. Look at Link. Link up over $17. And it was all the way down here at 14 early this morning. 14 to 7. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But this Cardano up over $1. That's huge. That was a huge move for Cardano. Up over $1. DW stands for Doge winning. Yep, we'll be giving away some Dogecoin here in just a little bit. To donate Doge, Brent, you would just send it to my MyDoge wallet. I have my MyDoge wallet in the description below, and just put a little note in there that you're donating Doge for a giveaway. And we'll give you a nice call out in the future if you want to share some Doge. But today we're going to do 3 draws of 33 Doge each, thanks to our friend DW. March and April will be massive. Stephen, that's 2017 all over and again. Like I've been saying, this could be much more like a 2017 alt season, particularly for Doge. 30 cents by tonight, Christoph is saying. That's bold. That is bold. I know, Joseph, exactly. Shaking my head. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to hear from Anthony today. I don't think so. Hey, Jay, how are you? Big day, yes. Christian is not a fan of Modelo. That's all right. The House of Doge thing, I mentioned that this morning or on yesterday morning in my March price prediction video, that's a big thing. And we're like a week or two away from Tim Stebbing of the Dogecoin Foundation talking about the House of Doge, the strategic partnerships, all of this about Doge. That's pretty big stuff. That's pretty big stuff. And on the backs of this, now that there is some positive momentum and nice volume of trading and everything going on, this is the time we need to hit it with a big Dogecoin news. So I hope Tim Stebbing is listening. I hope the Dogecoin Foundation is listening, because it's really all about the marketing and the PR as well to get the support. If you remember a couple of weeks ago, the whole thing about the strategic partnership stuff, he did on a Friday night tweet. And like nobody heard it. Nobody heard it. There was nothing going on. It was a red day. It was just like, eh. But now on the backs of this is when you need to market it. This is when you need to come out and say, hey guys, this is what's going on with Dogecoin. I don't think Tim is a really good marketer. In fact, I may post that later and just say, hey Tim, let's put your marketing cap on. I told you, don't give it to Anthony. Check my MyDoge. Check my MyDoge. I have notifications turned on, but it doesn't pop up, and I don't know why that is. I don't know why that is. Ah, a nice birthday greeting to DW. More Doge to give away. Greg, thank you. A new reward on Coinbase for Aleph. $3 in Aleph. Coinbase keeps doing that education stuff, giving away free coins, tokens. Yeah. Donald. Yes, Donald, you received your Doge, as has everybody else who has been a giveaway winner. Some people think it's rigged or it's a scam or anything, but Nope. We're giving out Dogecoin. Spreading the love of Doge. Yeah, please keep shorting Doge. We want to squeeze out the shorts. But that's amazing. Those two huge multi-million-dollar leverage bets early this morning on Bitcoin and ETH before this news came out. Somebody knew something. Somebody knew something. Oh, you bought earlier today. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, people still waiting for 15 cents. And I said, well, if you just want to sit there with your Tether or USD just sitting in your account and not filling a limit order, well, there you go. This week or next, we don't know, Corbett. We don't know. You bought some ETH on Friday. Nice, Darth Mike. Nice. Starship. Yep. We're going to show it live tomorrow during the live stream. So probably start around 4 o'clock. The East Coast time at 6:30 liftoff. So Central time 5:30 in the United States. And we will show it live because it's a fun thing to do. And some of you guys are just like, oh, just talk about crypto. And I'm just like, these things, this is huge. This is cool stuff. Big, heavy. Starship. Big thing. I wasn't doing the insider trading, no. But the Friday thing was awesome. A dip down to 18 cents just from moi. You bought Doge on the red candles. Tax return let me do that. Ruben, isn't it great how it works like that sometimes? DB, we talked about why it jumped up. First 15 minutes. For those just coming in, you want to know why? Just go back to the beginning of the stream and watch like 10 minutes is all you really need. The first 10 minutes. And then you can catch back up. Jay, we don't like the words "I told you," okay? I don't like that "I told you." You can celebrate XRP, but don't say "I told you." Thank you. Anthony sold Doge to prove a point. Typical emotional trading behavior. I mean, he talks a big game like he's this like expert trader. He's not. He's not. The market, yeah, Blake, the market definitely needed the bump. It definitely did. Yeah, Elon. Yeah, exactly, Raiden. I mean, news came out that he had another kid. I was just like, really? He had another kid? He's just like, I don't know, spreading the love, right? Another kid for Elon. It's like, okay, another one. I haven't looked at Peak, Raiden. I've been so busy. I haven't even looked at Peak. What's Peak doing? Up to 16 cents. Nice. It was down here at 14 and a half, came up to 16 and a half. And the big one is Trump. Trump up to 16.6 and moving higher. I wonder if Trump wants the Trump token in the crypto strategic reserve, right? Let's put Trump in there. Well, for those who didn't sell Trump down at 12 bucks, like me, still holding Trump, well, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Probably not a 40-cent pump tonight, Gillo. Probably not that. I mean, the big pump was earlier. That's where the big volume was. And now the volume is ticking down a bit, although we still have green candles. So I think we're probably going to settle between 23, 24 cents right now. That's my guess. Yeah, we need likes for the giveaway. That's for sure, Raiden. 150 likes. Good target. Did ADA overtake Doge, Bruce? Yeah, you go up 50% in a day. Yep. There's Cardano up in number 8. 36.3. Doge is at 34.6. But yeah, look at 24 hours. Cardano's now up 60%. And all because it was named in this tweet here, or the truth. XRP, Solana, and ADA. Now, why did Trump put ADA in the truth? Why did he say ADA? And then he had to follow up with Bitcoin and ETH. That's weird. I'm guessing like Don Jr. and Eric were behind this. Because remember, World Liberty Finance, what have they been accumulating? They've been accumulating these alts. Interesting. Interesting. Green candles, all fine and are fine and all, but $1. Lucifer. $1. Yeah. Good day for Cardano. Hey, you know, Ruben, Doge will have its day too. Thank you, Adam. Appreciate it. Rigged. Dogecoin could retake ADA. Yep. It would make sense to have Doge in the reserve. It is most likely going to get an ETF. Elon should just say something, you know, behind the scenes. Get some Doge too. Algorand has great potential, Enqui, but it had such a bad last 4 years that it's hard to get that momentum back, but giveaways coming. We're up to 124 likes. We need 150. I don't really follow XRP, Jay. I can't do that for XRP. No. Let's see how Tokyo will react, or all the other Asian buyers. Koreans are much more into crypto than Japanese are. Yep, we're waiting for that Tim Stebbing big news, Matt. I know, Adam. I purposely was conservative. I was going back and forth between 30 cents and 25 cents because I mentioned 30, which would make sense. You go from 40 to 20, and then you recover back to 30. But I ended leaning more toward the 25. Now, it's a long month. There's only day 2. And like I said earlier, there's going to be some potholes along the way. The tariffs, if something else develops there that's going to rock the markets. We're going to have an FOMC meeting, not going to cut rates. And then we've got the looming government shutdown on March 14th. That's not going to be good. So it's going to be a rocky road, guys. And I don't want to be negative today because we're enjoying a nice green day, but I keep it real. You know that. Yeah, Chirpow. Exactly. He's gonna muck things up again. Gonna muck things up. No, Doge did not move up. It moved down, DB, because Cardano overtook it. A Billy post and a Musk reply. I did not. There was a Billy post I just want to reiterate that Dogecoin was created in the USA in Portland, Oregon. Source, me. That's good. Elon Musk with his tears of joy face. That's awesome. So there we go. Thanks, Harry, for calling that out. That's a good one. Yep. Billy made it in his apartment in Portland. I would love it if the United States deemed Dogecoin made in the US and I wouldn't have to pay capital gains tax on my Doge profits. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Thank you, Billy. Elon. That's good. Over 2 billion flowing into Dogecoin. Why didn't Trump include Doge? Not on his radar. He's following what his kids are doing. The World Liberty Finance thing. I'm surprised he didn't say Chainlink too, but I mean, Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, Cardano, or XRP, and Solana, I guess. Doge has been up and down. It hasn't been in the top 10. Sometimes it drops out. But I think for the last few years, it has been solidly in the top 10 since 2021. Well, I always talk about Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. And I mean, we saw it again today, right? Dogecoin outperforming Bitcoin, which is my whole thing with Anthony, right? He was going to take that. He was just going to buy Bitcoin, right? And that was the big argument we were having. And I'm just like, Dogecoin outperforms Bitcoin on the big runs. And we saw it earlier today. Dogecoin pumps harder. Yeah, Burger King did have a Dogecoin promo. Yes. That was a long time ago now. You think the Asian markets are going to pump Doge? I think that'll keep Doge from dropping. Typically, when we see these big pumps, we'll see a little fallback. Exactly, Dustin. That's what I'm saying. Tim seems super nice, but not a marketer. He's got to get the marketing cap on to make this thing really pop. Yep. 25 cents during the live stream, Raiden. You called it. And if it happens, you can say, I told you so. Told you so. Yeah, Takoa, it's coming. We're close. I don't have 150 likes yet. We're getting close, though. Dogecoin community is awesome, DW. And again, thank you for your generosity. You took advantage of the crypto special. So did I. It's time to win. Yes, Nassif. Rigged. Do profits from Bitcoin go into alts without touching ETH? That can always happen. It hasn't traditionally, but it could. Raiden also received Dogecoin. He won giveaway on Friday. It's nice, right? See that in your wallet? Yeah, got some Doge. Is any more news coming? I think that's it for today. That's pretty big news, though. Hi, Doug. Yeah, the first 10 minutes, I covered what's going on. So for those that are newer on the stream, you can just scroll back. Well, maybe after the Dogecoin giveaway. Then you can scroll back and just watch the first 10 minutes and then come back to live. Oh, that 50x leverage is definitely Trump related. Yeah. Paul bought some Cardano yesterday. Nice. We got a lot of likes now, but don't have enough subscribes. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button too. I appreciate it. The dollar, not quite yet, Jay. Let's hold it on the dollar thing. All of those articles are going to come out tomorrow. I know it. Now that Doge has a little pump, it's going to be like, yeah, Doge to $1. It's just like, we'll get there. We'll get there. March 7th is the United States Crypto Summit. That's what's on the 7th. The Crypto Summit. Monday, we're going to watch Starship, though, live during the live stream. Shall I interview Tim Stebbing? I could ask him after the news comes out. Corey, welcome. I was up watching the markets and then boom, I was like, what? What? Exactly. This is what Doge does. There wasn't any specific news about Dogecoin, but Doge does pump on hype. It still does. The new steak and shake fries are amazing. Got rid of that seed oil or whatever that was. For those that don't know, I've moved on from Budweiser. I'm now drinking a Modelo, partially because I'm enjoying, crypto profits, but also we got Mexico tariffs next week. And I was like, I'm going to buy this before the price spikes up. So drinking a Modelo today. Cheers, everyone. It's a good day. A green day. We like that. All right. Anything else? Oh, Anthony is here. Anyone giving me some Doge? I used the 69 Doge to buy H-bar. Oh, so now you tell us. Now you tell us. H-bar. Well, H-bar is up 4%. Doge is up 12%. So Doge is outperforming H-bar. Just like it's outperforming Bitcoin, as I said. But nice of you to drop in. But who sells 69 Doge that you've been gifted? That is very un-Doge-like. Very un-Doge-like. You're gifted Doge. You should just enjoy it. Let it seep. I know Ada pumped the most. I already said that, Jay. We weren't talking about. Jay, are you being a real asshole today? Just cool it. We're having fun. Cardano is US, yes. But so is a Trump token. But that would be a conflict of interest. Yes, Matt. And ADA did drop a lot. Yes, Jason. ADA did drop a lot. Okay, guys. You know what it's time for? You guys know what to do. For those that don't know, we have daily giveaways thanks to our great Dogecoin family here. And this is courtesy of DW, who has donated some Dogecoin for today's giveaway. We're doing 3 draws of 33 Dogecoin each. What you need to do is type the word Dogecoin in the chat with a capital D. Make sure it's a capital D, Dogecoin, and you will be entered to win the drawing, but only if you type the word Dogecoin into the chat. That is what it takes to get your name in the giveaway. So while you guys are doing your thing, I will get it all queued up here. Bum, 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 bum. Dogecoin. Wouldn't it be terrible if I misspelled it? And like nobody was in the drawing. I'd be like, wait, what? All right, this is what you need to do. You need to type in Dogecoin into the chat in order to be entered. We're going to do 3 drawings. You only have to type once. If you type Dogecoin in the chat multiple times, you still only get 1 entry. The StreamYard giveaway tool is smarter than you. It's smarter than you. This is the way, though. This is the Dogecoin way. This is going to be our 14th. Is that right? Is that right? This is going to be our 14th giveaway. Let me get this set up because I do keep a record. Yes, this is going to be giveaway number 14. Good luck to everybody. Everybody get your names in. Charlotte's in the draw today. Good luck. You made it just in time. And Anthony is in the draw as well. Anthony, if you win, are you just going to keep the Dogecoin this time? Rigged coin. All right. There's going to be 3 draws. Here's the first one. Let's do it. Who's going to win? It is going to be Randy Wilson wins draw number 1. Randy Wilson, congratulations. You just type the word Dogecoin into the chat, buddy. Dogecoin with a capital D. That's how you get in. Congratulations, Randy. Winner number 1. We got 2 more draws to go today. Awesome, awesome. We got more entries coming in. 100% rigged. Hey, this is the Dogecoin way. Let's celebrate Randy's win. Yeah, tough to spell it out there, Lucifer. There's a lot going on in the chat. All right. Draw number 2. Here we go. And the winner is CLB. CLB wins draw number 2. I'll tell you at the end how you can get your Dogecoin. CLB, congrats. Congrats, congrats. Randy, do you want to pass it on? Is that what you're proposing here? I didn't see your, because there's so many chats going on. You can pass on receiving if you want to. And we can just have another draw and you can just be in the glory that you won the drawing, but you can pass it on. All right, we're going to do one more drawing. Here we go. Drawing number 3. Oh, Charlotte was so close. You were within 1 there, Charlotte. But Sam is the winner. Sam. Congratulations. Save. All right. Sam Peasy. All right. For those that won, what you need to do is you need to send me an email with your Dogecoin address in it. You send your email to this email address, KrissCrypto@gmail.com. That's KrissKrypto, KrissCrypto@gmail.com. Send me an email with your Dogecoin wallet address and your YouTube handle. I got to be able to match up the YouTube handle because sometimes your email address doesn't match your YouTube handle. And then tonight I will send you Dogecoin. That's how it works. Again, send me an email, KrissCrypto@gmail.com with your Dogecoin wallet address. The Dogecoin wallet needs to begin with the letter D. I only send Doge to D letter. If you've got some custom address or something, just create a new one on the MyDoge app. MyDoge is awesome. Love that. If you need a Dogecoin wallet, just create one on MyDoge. Highly recommended. You get your seed phrase, so your keys, your Doge within the MyDoge app. You can download it for both iPhones and Android phones. Sweet deal. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? And thank you to TW as well. Oh, is there some passing going on here? Is that what happened? See, I missed all of that. So is this really what happened? Randy passed to Lucifer. Lucifer passed to Charlotte. Charlotte says, that's so kind. Rigged. Charlotte won. Thanks to Randy. All right. I got it now. Whew. Yeah, we're drinking Modelo's today. Getting the Mexican beer because of the tariffs coming on Tuesday. So Monday, if you don't have your Modelo's, go out, get your Modelo's because on Tuesday, tariffs hit. And I definitely should have gotten a line. Trump token still pumping, Mark? Nick, the giveaway is just the Dogecoin family donating Dogecoin to give away and using the KrissPax live stream as that avenue to share Dogecoin to others in the stream. And we've done 14 giveaways now. Tomorrow will be number 15. Yes, we're going to do another Dogecoin giveaway tomorrow because DW didn't just give enough Dogecoin for one giveaway. No, DW gave some additional Dogecoin and we'll give that away tomorrow. We'll give that away tomorrow. It might end up being a lower tariff than we thought. Maybe. It was just kind of, I had to get more beer and it was just a fun thing to do. Plus I like Modelo, so. So what's going on as we flip through here? Doge at 23.3, Bitcoin at 94.4. Bitcoin is still slowly moving back up after the big run to 95 and then a little sell-off. That's looking very bullish for Bitcoin. ETH is at 2,500. Yes, $2,500 ETH. We also have Algorand up 28.8. Solana at 175. Solana moving up. And Cardano is over $1 at $1.03. And XRP is at $2.87 up as well. And again, all of this is on this crypto strategic reserve news that came out earlier today. And if you want to know more about that, just scroll back to the first 10 minutes of this live stream where I covered all of that. And then you just come back to the live. So you can do that. This is a great start to the month of March. Everybody was all freaking out, right, last week, freaking out about crypto. But this is what can happen in the crypto world. This is what can happen. And I've been very consistently saying for the past month and a half, 2 months, when people are saying bear market, I've been saying, nope, it's not a bear market. It's a pullback in a bull market, and the bulls will be back. And I did get a notification now from MyDoge. Greg, thank you. Thank you, Greg. I appreciate it, Greg. I got it. Very nice. We got a lot of Doge for everybody. Doge is just going around. We will have another giveaway tomorrow, while we're also watching the SpaceX launch of Big Heavy Starship. Going to see whether those pinchers grab the part that comes back, whatever it's called. Couldn't think of it. What's going to happen when the markets open tomorrow? Well, we'll get a little clue tonight when the futures trading starts. It's usually around, 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, my time. We'll get a clue. I still think there's a lot of inflation fears. There's still a lot of pessimism. I think, when is that FOMC meeting? I think it's not this coming week, but I think it's the following week. March 2025 FOMC. No, not until March 18th and 19th. So it's a couple weeks away. But yeah, that's going to be another thing, especially if it's right after the government shutdown. If we have a government shutdown on the 14th, that's not going to be pretty. And then follow that up with the FOMC. Oh. Yeah, so there's still some bumps in the road coming. Sell the news, Anthony says. Well, you didn't win any Dogecoin today, Anthony, so you have no Doge to sell. Jason, why do you say September? When you know, on my 2025 yearly price prediction video, I had Doge pumping October, November. So you can't say September. I should have drawn a shorter white line. I know it should have ended sooner. This is just coincidence here that white line ended right there. It was following along very well, wasn't it? This is the line I drew on Friday. And it came right to this point, and that's where I lifted up the pencil, right there. So it was doing pretty much as I had predicted. And then, boom. Boom. I'm guessing news about tax cuts, stimulus packages will drop in March, April, since it's time for Trump to make the markets recover from his tariffs. Maybe. The tax cut stuff is coming, that's for sure. But it's not yet. He's got other things he needs to take care of before the tax cuts. Hugo has 40,000 Doge. Everybody's different, right? People have different financial situations, and people are willing to risk more than others or less than others, depending on your profile and how you want to trade crypto. So 40,000 is good for you. That's good for you. It was really strange that Trump did not mention Bitcoin in his initial truth. The initial post didn't say Bitcoin. Somebody must have gotten to him, because the initial post here at the bottom just said XRP, Solana, and ADA. And then almost an hour later, he came back with, and obviously BTC and ETH, along with other valuable cryptocurrencies. So that hour there must have just been killing the Bitcoin maxis. Must have just been killing them. Killing them. Charlotte has been a member for 3 months. I don't know why that popped up, but it did. Yep. Congratulations to Greg, sharing the love. There will be a pullback this coming week, hoping it will be a small one. There's always pullbacks. We just don't know how deep they go. Now, Kirk, why would you say that? Pretty weak pump. Dogecoin wasn't even in the news. Dogecoin wasn't even mentioned. And it's up 13%. I don't know, dude. The impact, Matt, on the Tim Stebbing news will be better if he markets it properly, if he does the announcement right. That's what he needs to do. If it's just some lame tweet late on a Friday night, it ain't going to do it. It needs to be a big deal. Then it will make a difference. This bull run is different. It is, Linda. Although it's got some 2017 vibes to it. That's what I've been saying. More like 2017 than 2021. Oh, you're one of those. You're waiting for it to drop down to 17 cents. Got it. You're one of those. Good luck. Probably not going to happen. But good luck. October, November, then done in September. October, November, then done in September. One mistake you are making. I'm not making any mistakes, Bill. But I'll just let that go. ADA is needed for the success of Bitcoin DeFi. Okay, that's fine, Bill. But I'm not making a mistake. I already made over $100,000 on ADA, trading ADA. So I'm good. But thank you. Strange way to phrase that, dude. The next Bitcoin halving is in 2028. You don't get the tariffs, Kirk. We've been talking about them for weeks here, and you haven't been here. But okay. I know, totally all my fault, Bruce. Everything's my fault. Miss KrissPax says that all the time. It's your fault. It's like, okay. We got a subscriber. I got Busy Bees. Love your name. Thanks for subscribing. Anybody else who hasn't subscribed, please do. Appreciate that. Charlotte is gifting a KrissPax membership. Thank you, Charlotte. I appreciate it. Although I kind of don't want gifted memberships right now. because we're going to be doing our members only giveaway, and I want the people who are winning. Oh, you pressed the wrong button, Charlotte. Tobias was gifted a membership. Well, Tobias, you are going to be the generosity there. You're going to get some Dogecoin too. You are now a member. I kind of want the members only giveaway to be people who actually did the effort to get their membership, you know? And then we will, in April, we'll restart up gifting memberships. Never invest all your life savings into anything. It's always good to diversify. Yes. Too many stories of people that went all in on something and it tanked. Litecoin barely budged today. Well, Litecoin already went on a big run last week. So, I mean, lower percentage, similar move. But if we zoom out, we can see that Litecoin already went on, when was that? Yeah, that was back here. Litecoin already went on this big run here. So, not as big of a pump for Litecoin. But for Doge, that's sweet. And there's no news specifically about Dogecoin in this. No Dogecoin reserve yet, Bestia. Buying daily, Greg? All good. Crypto tax news, crypto strategic reserve, Tim Stebbing, X, and it's just so many. I know, Matt. That's why I don't know why there's so many bears out there. I don't get it. Not everything is up 12% today, Kirk. Litecoin is up 2. BNB is up 1. Bitcoin's up 9. Doge is up 13. Kirk, when Dogecoin pumps, it can pump on its own. We've seen it before many, many times. I don't know. Why are you here? You're getting to the point now where it's like, why are you even here? I don't mind having a conversation of why you think it's going to go down, but God, Doge is a penny stock. Well, there you go. That tells you what the hell you know, which is nothing, calling it a penny stock. Wow. Hey, guys, so Kirk is the one today. Kirk is the one today. Man. I don't know how high it can go. I was predicting $2 Cardano. So I'm still kind of sticking to $2. So Kirk doesn't own any Dogecoin. He's waiting for 17 cents. Good luck. I think you will be a non-Dogecoin holder. You're having a backwards day today, Jason? Got it. That makes more sense. Kirk is not going to make it. Did I vote for Trump? It was either Trump or Harris, and I wasn't voting Harris, that's for sure. No way I was going to vote for Harris. I upgraded my price target for Doge from 1 cent to 2 cents. Oh, God. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I'm not totally against ADA. I'm against XRP and Solana. Cardano's just slow, just agonizingly slow. So to see it to have a 50% day today, that's awesome. But I bought it at 24 and I sold it $1. 4x return on a big bag of Cardano. I did well. And now I'm sitting in a house, all paid for in cash, thanks to crypto profits. Exactly. Go join a Solana stream. The MyDoge wallet isn't available on the Play Store. It's probably where you live. So Trust Wallet, try Trust Wallet. In the summer, I'm probably just going to do a couple really short trips because I'm planning a bigger fall trip. So it's going to be the fall is when my big trip is going to be this year. Yeah, I know. He doesn't even listen to what I say. So I don't give him anything here. Is the House of Doge a strategic reserve? No. The House of Doge is a group of people who are going to be encouraging partnerships with Dogecoin. That's what the House of Doge is. So how all of that works, we still need to see. But yeah, they did mention somewhere in there that they would be accumulating Doge. I remember that now. Yeah, Jason. I think that's part of it as well. But that was from mining. They were going to be mining Doge and using the Doge from the mining. They weren't going to sell it. They were just going to, that's going to be their reserve. So they're not buying Doge, but they're going to be mining Doge. Thank you, Lucius. Appreciate it. Ahmed, I did a video on January 1st on my max target for Doge. So go watch that. I made that on January 1st, 2025 Dogecoin price prediction, and it is still in play. How do you pay less fees? The more you trade on Coinbase, the lower your fees go. My fee was $2.80 on Friday. $2.80. And that was $4,000 of Doge. So the more you trade, the lower your fees. You're just being a jerk, Kirk. That's why. We're not sensitive, dude. You're just being an absolute jerk. So you get what you deserve. You said you made money on Doge. Nobody believes you. Kirk is a penny stock. I like that. Yeah, Peter Schiff said something about, yeah, Bitcoin, digital gold, strategic reserve. But he laughed at those other altcoins being mentioned. I get his point. Are the $20 predictions accurate? Lucius, you're talking about these guys who are just posting these stupid charts showing how Dogecoin could hit $20. And you're asking if it's accurate? No, it's not. It's ridiculous at this point. It's ridiculous. Let's get to $1 first. Would Harris have done anything with crypto? No, the SEC was just going all out, litigating against crypto companies right and left. What has Trump done? Week after week after week, we hear yet another just another litigation being stopped. So Ali's all over the map, Nick. He's just doing, he just makes all of those charts for clicks. It's all for clicks and views. Remember what Nick was, or Nick, did you see what Ali said last week? He said Doge was dropping to 6 cents because everybody was being negative last week. And the bear type of posts were the ones getting all of the clicks and views. And he said 6 cents. Oh my God. Oh, my finger just slipped, guys. Kirk is gone. He's now in the Neverland with MJ. God. Oops. Oh, man. Charlotte, we tried. We tried to be nice to him, and he just took his jerk level and went up another. He was just like, no. Gone to the shadow realm. Magic 8 Ball was right on Friday. Yes. The answer on Friday was yes, definitely. Remember that? Yes, definitely. And here we are. A sea of green crypto bubbles. I did not look at crypto bubbles, but I can imagine they are all green today. Nice. Well, pie. Look at the one red. It's pie. Pie is down 14%. I think that is hilarious. The pyramid scheme, pie, is in the red today. Look at that. People are talking about the Pi Network last week, remember? Oh, Pi Network, Pi Network. And I was just like, no. Don't do Pi Network. Oh, my God. That's just too funny. If anybody bought Pi, I hope you took your profits. Bought 80 more ADA earlier in the week. Sold 200 today at the peak, thinking of a rebuy. Tobias, good luck. That swing trading thing, though, I don't know. Cardano's still going up. So you may not have a dip. It may not go back below $1. It's got some momentum going for it now. But, I mean, that's the whole thing about that swing trading thing. Anything you're buying now is all moving up, unless you want to buy pie. Sam, I got you, man. Gotcha. The heat maps. Christian has finally come up with requests for the heat maps. Oh, this is going to be good. It's time to get those shorts. Look at that. And look at that. New longs come in. New longs. See what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the big run here. Actually, it looks like it's more of a 1 week. It's since 1 week. We'll see it a little clearer on this one, I think. Yeah, so this is a pretty clear picture here of all of these shorts. Hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin shorts as Bitcoin went from 85 to 95, wiped out. And it could have gone up even more if it had hit like 96.4, hundreds of millions of dollars more up there. But this is pretty good. Flush out of a lot of shorts. What does Doge look like? Wow, there was some big shorts at 21.6 that got taken out, and Doge just went up higher all the way up to 23.5. So yeah, there's a lot of shorts taken out for Doge. There's new shorts that just came in. We'll see. 420. I just missed it, Jason. But cheers, everybody. 420 on a Sunday for those East Coast US. Mm-hmm. You don't think more alts will be added? XRP, Sol, ADA, and ETH. ETH is an alt as well. We'll see. March, April, May, just like 2017, Brandon. That's what I talked about on my March price prediction video I made yesterday. We looked at 2017 and we were like, 2017, after a red January and February, had green months, March, April, and May. 3 big green months. We're already up 16% now in March, and it's only March 2nd. Big recovery to make up for February. I know. Thank you, Anna. The Musk tweeting stuff that happened in 2021 was a totally different time, Nick. That was crazy. That was insane. Yeah, I don't know about this, the Bitcoin strategic reserve thing. I think all along, Eric and Don Jr. wanted it to be more than just Bitcoin because of this whole world liberty thing that they're doing. So that's why it's just called crypto strategic reserve and not Bitcoin. Those Bitcoin maxis are not happy. And I'm like, too bad. Too bad. We're getting closer to the $40 prediction. Yep. A little bit closer every day. The all-time high for Dogecoin was 73 cents back in May 7th, 2021. That was the all-time high for Dogecoin. Trump viral. I still believe that before May, we will spike to over $1. Wow. That's going to be some huge trading right there. I'll take it. I'll take it. $1 is questionable. I mean, it takes a lot to get up there. That's for sure. It's a big market cap. I'm hoping we just don't dip right back down because of tariffs. Well, again, like I said earlier, Johnny, it was the fear of the tariffs that caused the previous dumps. Now that the actual tariffs are going to go into play, I don't think we're going to see those big dumps. Hey, Sunshine. I was mining Pi since 2020 and they won't let me cash it out. Wow. Well, there you go. That even more solidifies what I thought about it being a pyramid scheme. Wow. What a joke. What a joke. Yeah, just catch the first 10 minutes, Sunshine. And then you miss the giveaway and all the crap with this guy, Kirk, and all of that. But we're having fun because it's a nice Sunday afternoon. We're hanging out. Doge is up. Crypto is up. A lot of green candles. You made all your money back? Sweet Pikachu. Doesn't it make you feel better? You're all worried one day and then the next it's like, hey, this is all right. Yeah, Bonk still holding on in top 100. Pepe took a big dump too. I didn't even see what it did today. Papa Pepe. 15%. Came up over 8, almost touched 9. But still way down. Still way down. But it's a start. It is a start. That bull run character hasn't been back for a while. All hyped on Pepe. Pepe took a big dump. You can make money swing trading, but it's hard, especially with Doge. Very risky. Exactly. That's what I've consistently said. You prefer cherry or apple pie? I like that, Greg. Trump token going up more. Nice. I have some of that still. Some of that collectible. The collectible Trump token. Up to $17. Of course, I bought at 34, so I'm still down half. But up 30% for the day. That's nice. Trump token. It's a collectible, guys. Who else owns the Trump collectible? McGorilla, you're overall in the red? This isn't the end of it. You open an account in Robinhood? Coinbase still pending. Wow, Linda. The Trump announcement of the crypto strategic reserve is because Hong Kong already announced that they're going to be the virtual asset hub of Asia, already in the testing phase. So that got Trump to like, I'm not going to wait 6 months. That makes sense. That makes sense. Cannot wait for the Doge party. Here in Boston, baby. Doge. Doge to $1. The house is awesome, Sotex. We've only been here, what is it, about a week and a half? And it's like every day there's like something new we find out about the house. It's just those little things. It's a nice house. We're very happy. Will they add Doge to the reserve? I don't think so, but that doesn't stop Doge from pumping. But if Elon puts in a little word for Dogecoin, just a little thing, because they all love Elon, that would be awesome. What would happen if Trump mentioned Dogecoin? Whoa, my God. You talk about a green candle. If Trump mentioned Dogecoin, oh my God. That would be like the Elon tweets from 2021. And of course, we've been going on, as RR points out. It's like, we don't really need Elon, right? Let's focus on its utility. This whole House of Doge, Dogecoin Foundation thing about Doge as a currency, which is all awesome, but it can still pump on a little hype. It can still do that. Yeah, on Coinbase, the more you trade, the lower the fee. Exactly. Win $18. Go ask Ali, Harry. Go ask Ali. Win $18 Doge. Give me a German answer, please. 9. If you're going to have a reserve, you wouldn't want it to go on just one crypto. True. Ahmed, that's up to you. Again, I buy on big red candles. There will be a dip at some point in time, but it could always go up more before that dip. You don't know. Why would a crypto strategic reserve be bad for crypto? Why would it be bad? I know, we need to flip ADA back. Exactly, Bill. Harry doesn't know Bill Burr. He's from Boston. He's one of our local big comedians. Hit it big. Funny guy. Funny guy. ADA up 61% on Webull. ADA's up 62% now on TradingView. 63% now. I don't know, whoever did the swing trading on Cardano, it's like, do you see what's going on? I get you took profit, I get it, but no, the fear did the dump. Downward motion stopped because they got delayed. No, there were two dumps on. There was one on February 2nd and then again on the 24th. I still think we're hitting the previous all-time high, Matt. It's just going to take a little while. Sunday fun day when it's green. Sunny and cold, wicked windy. That's Boston today. Still down on your Pepe, you bought at 14. Thought that was a good dip, didn't you, at the time? And now it's at 7. Well, I guess it's 8 now. You bought at 15, Christoph? I told you guys what I did. I bought at 10, sold at 20. My March prediction still holds, Brian, because I think it's still going to be a bumpy road. Particularly February 14th, looming U.S. government shutdown, followed by the following week and the Fed's FOMC meeting. And I just don't think those are going to be good for the markets. Now, crypto is doing its own thing today because of specific crypto news, but the overall markets still aren't good. I don't follow Turbo, Ultrix. How many new Dogecoins are mined daily? There's no halving. There's no coded halving in Doge. It's 10,000 Dogecoin every minute, Tobias. 10,000 Dogecoin every minute. Now, those are given as rewards to the miners, whoever does solve the mathematical equation for that minute, which validates all of the transactions on the blockchain for that minute, and they are awarded 10,000 Doge. It's not like it's released to exchanges and it floods the market. No, it's given to the miners. Proof of work cryptocurrency. Okay. You have 17 Trump coin tokens, I'll call them. They're collectibles, Brandon. Adam skipped out on the Trump collectible. Kriss bought some. I've got 100 Trump collectibles. Will has 200 Trump collectibles. Trump has a crap ton of them that are going to unlock in a couple months. Charles owns some Trump. You held your Trump? Yeah, mine's at 34. Yours is 17. I know, Lucifer, right? No, they're real, but I don't know what their deal is. Thank you, Sunshine. Appreciate it. Yeah, love the house. The FBI has the Silk Road wallet to put into the reserves. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with that. There were rumors like the Bitcoin wasn't there anymore, and then I didn't hear any follow-up. So that must have just been a rumor somebody made up. I don't know. You're coming to Boston for the dollar party, Ruben? Awesome. It's going to be a fun party. Wants Elon to get fired. Why? Rooting out waste, fraud, and abuse in our government? That's a good thing. Very strange. Why would you come on my stream and say that? I know, Johnny. That was weird. He didn't include Bitcoin and ETH in the first truth. That was bizarre. Bullish on the Trump token, Markovitz. It's moving. I never lived to Germany, but I've been to Germany a couple times. Went to Oktoberfest in Munich. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, saw it, lived it, survived it. More coming from Europe. Awesome. Be a big party. It'll be a big party. And some driving over as well. I use Coinbase Advanced. Really. Coinbase Advanced only. Never use regular Coinbase. You don't get the price you want. Crypto has volatility, yes. However, if you look at it in the bigger picture, where we're still early in the whole crypto game and big businesses are going to be built on blockchain technology, and ETH and Cardano have like two of the best blockchains, although Cardano isn't really used as much as everyone would like yet, but it's like getting early on a IPO is what it's like. So yes, volatility, but we're still early. The FOMC is when the United States Federal Reserve board members all get together and talk about mostly interest rates, how the economy is doing, what they can do in terms of quantitative easing, tightening, and lowering or raising interest rates. Generally once a month, but they skip a couple months throughout the year. So the next one is going to be on February 18th and 19th. I mean, March 18th and 19th. So March 19th is going to be when Jerpow does his typical rate announcement and then does his press conference. Doesn't hurt to take a little off the table for the dip. 95% of the time it retraces. But what if this is one of those times it doesn't, Bill? That's all I'm saying. And then, of course, you're always talking about short-term capital gains when you do that. So if you don't hold it for a year, like most of the crypto that I sold in February was all long-term capital gains taxes on the profits. Huge difference here in the United States between short-term and long-term capital gains. How is Fartcoin? I don't know. It's not one I follow, but we can take a look at it. Fartcoin is up 30% today, but it's pulling back. But yeah, 30% day for Fartcoin. There you go. Oh. If Elon loves Trump as much as he says he does, Elon has been outspoken on Dogecoin. I think it would be pretty logical for Dogecoin to eventually be a part. We'll see. You know, Elon isn't really into that part of it, but you never know. Will there really be a government shutdown? Republicans have both the House and the Senate, but here's what Mario said. House Republicans are failing to secure enough support for a funding deal. So now, of course, that's coming from the House Democratic leadership, so take it for what it's worth. But if all the Republicans stay in line, it should be fine. It's just politics. They're mad because they didn't buy the massive dip. I told everyone when I was buying, and I bought at 18 cents. I don't know. In 2 or 3 days, ADA will be back down to 70 cents. It's showing strength right now. I don't know. It's still $1.05. I only bought Trump as a novelty. Yeah, it's a collectible. Hey, Lucifer. Good evening to you. Elon is on fire. Well, this was hilarious. Billy Marcus saying, I just want to reiterate, Dogecoin was created in the USA, in Portland, Oregon. Source, me, because he made it. And Elon gave it one of those funny faces with tears of joy. Maybe there's something going on again with tax cuts for cryptos made in the USA, and Dogecoin, according to the Dogecoin creator, said he made it in the USA. So that we will see. Bloomberg says there are too many betting on Bitcoin to retest 70K. Asia is still selling. 70K levels are coming. Yeah, it doesn't need to go to 70K. Bitcoin's at 93,000. That would be a huge drop from here. I mean, it was just down at 85. And then it had dipped down to what, 79? It's not going to 70K. I don't think so. Dems want Elon gone because Elon is rooting out all the crap that the Dems have been doing for the past 4 years. Which includes paying off a lot of other Democrats. Yes. Chester, I doubt Doge will be included in this crypto reserve, but you never know. But I do doubt it. ETH starting to take off again, Marino. 25.25. Yep. ETH curling up. I still have about 4 ETH tokens, so that's nice. Yeah, Elon's doing great. He's doing what Trump asked him to do. Will the Trump token go into the reserves? Yeah, someone earlier said, yeah, maybe a little conflict of interest there. So I don't think he's going to push that. No suits and ties at the dollar party. Absolutely not. It will be nothing like the Bitcoin one. Nothing. In fact, people will be encouraged to wear Dogecoin t-shirts. Hopefully it's in the summertime. Dogecoin t-shirts. The unlocked tokens are about to be released. That soon? I thought it was further out. Mine a solo block of Doge, you get 10,000 coins. Exactly. That's why I think Dogecoin mining is just, it's going to be huge. Oh, don't give me that, Elon wasn't elected crap. Just look at what the Democrats did for the last 4 years and all the people wandering around doing Democrat DEI and all that crap bullshit that weren't elected. It's the same thing, but he's actually doing good for the government. We have this incredible federal debt, can't balance the budget. Elon's making it happen. So don't give me that crap. No one voted for him. Shh. Doesn't hurt my feelings. You're just wrong, dude. Time for Jerome Powell to be hawkish. Yep. That's what it's going to be. Fart coin. I know, right? Elizabeth? Dogecoin? Yep. 1 trillion in liquidity added to the total market cap this month. Bill is very bullish on March. Yeah, they pretty much vote along party lines. And that's what I think is probably going to happen too with the shutdown. In the end, it's going to be along party lines. The Democrats are trying to put out rumors that there are breaks in the Republican coalition, but I don't think there are. It's a scare tactic, exactly. But it's a thing that everyone's talking about, which puts a fear in the market. And again, that's one of the things that's out there. A lot of markets, The markets are forward thinking, right? And there's a fear that something may or may not happen, and the markets trade according to that. You took profits, hoping for a dip back. All right, well, good luck. Triple this. Again, swing trading. It's risky, and you're always paying short-term capital gains on your profits. Just put that out there. Yeah, the Trump posts were on Truth Social. Eric Trump reposted them on X, but they're truths. Truths. How can you say that? Truths. Truths. Is the fee the same? I don't know. I've never traded on regular Coinbase. I've always used Coinbase Advanced Healing because you actually see the exchange, you see the bid and the ask, you see the dynamics, you place your limit order, you know right what it is, what you're getting. So I've always traded on Coinbase Advanced. Yeah, Liam, I don't want to get into the Ukraine president thing and all of that. I don't want to get into that today. We talked about that on Friday, and the whole political discussion went way far away from what we're here to talk about, which is money, finances, crypto, Dogecoin. So not going to get into that today. Yeah. Elon still cares about Doge. I mean, he follows Billy and he saw that and he posted that face. So, you know, there's something going on there, I still think, with Elon. The whole Joe Rogan thing with Elon wasn't about Dogecoin. It was all about the Department of Government Efficiency. He was not talking about Dogecoin. I think on the Joe Rogan show, Elon just wanted to avoid Dogecoin and crypto. He didn't want to talk about it, particularly because of the Trump token. And he didn't want the conversation going to the Trump token. That's what I think. Nice to have a green day. I never said Doge wasn't going to 20 cents. Don't put words in my mouth, boss man. If you can find a clip where I said Doge is not going to 20 cents, let me know. I don't talk like that. It's crypto. Anything can happen. I say things like not likely, or I don't see that happening, but I don't say it's not, because I don't talk like that. It's crypto. Anything can happen. Rumor has it that Bitcoin has made new support at 85. Rumor. Anybody can start a rumor. I would never have thought that XRP would be included. Well, you know, Brad Garlinghouse, he got his nose into all of that political business, had a meeting with Trump. This is the result. Look at this, up to 290 now, XRP to 290. Yep, he weaseled his way in there. Elon should get a Congressional Medal of Honor. He might. He might. Yeah, I don't want to get into all the politics stuff, I'll talk if it directly affects finances and crypto, particularly Dogecoin. Then we talk about it. Bum, bum, bum. Exactly. What about Doge? We're waiting to hear what the House of Doge is. Who is in the House of Doge? That's what I want to know. Is Elon somewhere behind the scenes with House of Doge? We're waiting. This year, if they pass that, Patrick, zero capital gain on American cryptos, that saves me anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 in taxes this year. I mean, it's like serious money. So yeah, I am all for it. All for it. Coinbase Advanced. I mean, that's all I use. So I don't know what the fees were on regular, like the Coinbase app, but I've consistently said, don't trade on the Coinbase app. Go to Coinbase Advanced, see the real exchange, see the bid and ask prices, buy there. Kevin, I've always been bullish on Cardano. I just always said it's slow. So today, big run, but it's not an opinion change. It's a good investment. It's just a long investment. That's all. Yeah, I don't track XRP's prices. I'm new, so I don't know how high XRP is going to go or not go. I don't track it. What is the House of Doge? I know, Johnny. That's what we want to see. These are partnerships. This is a group of people that believe in Dogecoin and are working with the Dogecoin Foundation for partnerships with Dogecoin as its use as a currency. That's all we know right now. Neither Elon nor Trump are running for president in 2028. That I can say for sure. Yeah, where was Brad's nose? Exactly, Raiden. Where was it? It was up somebody's ass. Why would you only have no tax on capital gains for over 5 million? Why would you do that? It's all or nothing. Fair for all people. In the end, Doug is right. 1 Doge equals 1 Doge. How do you use Coinbase Advance? So you get Coinbase going on your, let me do that here. Was it this one? I got to do this. Move tab to another window, minimize. I got to take it and pull it over here so I can log in, 2-factor authentication and all of that, you know. Yep. Get my phone. 2-factor authentication. Of course. Blah, blah, blah. And he's in. And he's in. All right. So this is Coinbase. Again, it's not an app. This is on the computer. This is where I trade. I don't trade on the app at all. I use the computer. Ugh, come on. Trying to get you so that you're aligned right. There we go. This is actually how much is in the current KrissPax DCA portfolio, $33,544, which includes 75,000 Dogecoin, which we'll be giving away later this month to the members of the channel. But when you're here on this main screen, you see over here to the right, this like buy, sell, convert, order thing. Don't trade here. No. Instead, what you do is, and I got to pull this over a little bit so you can see there's a little button down here in the lower left-hand corner that's called Advanced. And a little pop-up comes up that says Turn Coinbase Advanced On. And when you click that button, this is what you get. Coinbase Advanced. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just gets you into where the actual exchange is, the bid and ask prices, set limit orders, market orders, stop limits, all of that. And then you click up in the upper left in order to find Dogecoin, and you see the Dogecoin exchange right here, currently at 23.34, which you can see between the bid and the ask right now. This is where you trade on Coinbase Advanced, and this is also where I guess the fees are lower. I've always just traded here. This is where I trade. Coinbase Advanced. This isn't Coinbase One. Coinbase One is a different thing. Like if you're a constant swing trader and you're doing lots of trades, then you pay a monthly fee for Coinbase One and you have no fees. But for us regular traders who are like DCAing, we're not swing trading, doing multiple trades a day, Coinbase Advanced is what you use. So I'll just pull that back over. And of course, I have a link in the description below if you're interested in joining Coinbase. Special separate link for Coinbase Advanced, particularly if that's where you're going to do your trading, because you get a different deal if you do the Coinbase Advanced one. So there you go, Yili. Now, the lawsuit's done, Carol. He can say whatever he wants. I think he's not talking about Dogecoin because of the whole crypto thing with the Trump token, and he just didn't want to go there with Joe Rogan. I need to talk to my boy Stebbings. Bruce. I think Litecoin isn't doing as well today, Tobias, is because it went on a run last week. And so it's kind of chilling today. That's why. Still up 2%. More green candles coming week. Most likely, J.D. Vance would be the Republican nominee in 2028. Anything can happen, though. Wow, Brandon. What a view. Doge will get its own pump every time Elon needs money. Brandon, dude, Elon does not need money. He's the richest person in the world. God, people are just, ugh. I mean, seriously, dude. Seriously. Yeah, I wonder what Gary's doing. He's my neighbor now. I wonder if he's house hunting around here somewhere. Because he's teaching at MIT, so he's around. Yellow Ferrari. I'm not getting a yellow Ferrari. It was fun. I know, dude. I know, dude. What happened? You told us you sold all your ADA. So Looking forward to the members giveaway. It's coming. It's coming, Jason. You can switch to Coinbase Advanced on the app. Huh. Interesting. I always use the computer. Liam, we like our new house very much. We're still unpacking slowly, still figuring out where to hang pictures, and we've got to get some new furniture here and there, do some draperies, curtains, things like that. It all takes time. The Doge ETF was not accepted. That's not true, Switch. Not true. It's in the process, being reviewed by the SEC. Where do people come up with this stuff? I know, right, Giordani? Seriously. Well, the government doesn't work on Sundays, but Trump works every day. Elon doesn't need to rely on Dogecoin for money. Not even pocket change. No. He bought some for his son. That's it. It was kind of a joke. That's how Elon works. If I knew Elon's wallet, I'd be sending him some Doge, sure. Way, whatever. You said you sold all your ADA. When you say all, I assume that to mean all. But good luck to you. You're welcome, Yuli. Bruce, it'll be on a Sunday. The giveaway will be on a Sunday. The ETF is going to be in the fall, Kuba, most likely. It goes through this whole lengthy process. Will it get accelerated? I doubt it. It could. There's some people who are tweeting like, it's going to be approved next week. No, it's not. Those are people who are just tweeting garbage in order to get clicks on their posts. That's all that is. That's not how it works. It's going to be a nice, long process. And they go back and forth. They'll get all the details worked out. It takes a while. Well, Luca, yeah. And we talked about it earlier. Doge trades on hype, right? Doge still trades on hype. So good day for crypto. Doge pumps. Doge wasn't mentioned. Probably won't be in a crypto strategic reserve, but Doge pumps anyway at the thought that it might be. That's it. That's Dogecoin. No, Brian, it's a Modelo. It's a Modelo. I bought Modelo because Mexican tariffs start on Tuesday. Plus, I also said that once I get in the new house, I'm not buying Budweiser anymore. So it's a Modelo. Cheers. EDub, that's a maximum. 240 days is a maximum. Okay, just to be clear. If the SEC doesn't reject it after 240 days, then it is as good as getting an approval. So they put a limit on the max, all right? But it can be approved sooner. But as we saw on the Bitcoin ETFs, they went the full 240. Now, some of them got lumped in on the same day and were actually shorter because they wanted to be fair to the multiple different entities that they would all start trading at on the same day. So some of them were less than 240 because they weren't all applied for on the same day. I'm saying ADA 2x, $2 ADA this cycle is what I predicted. Pax Cat's loving the house. Absolutely loves the house. He was on Friday. If you were on the live stream, he did make an appearance. Yeah, there was something that said a collectible, but that didn't mean that it wouldn't be accepted. Nobody made that. Like, it can't have an ETF. There were people assuming something like that, but they don't know. What'll happen when the Doge ETF comes out? Probably not a lot. Again, Doge trades on the hype that it's going to get an ETF more than the actual trading once the ETF is out. It's just other avenues for people, institutions to be able to buy Dogecoin. As we've seen with the Bitcoin and ETH ETFs, they trade up and down. The market's going down, there are outflows. Market's going up, there are inflows. No different. No different. Maybe they'll be processed quicker. Bruce, maybe. I don't know. Litecoin was in before Doge, and Litecoin was pumping at the thought of its ETF being approved. It's not yet. Dogecoin, when it was at 40 cents, wise people wish they could get it at the price now. And here it is. I know. But they always change their price target. As I've said, when it was in the 40s, people said, I'll buy it in the 30s. Gets in the 30s, people say, I'll buy it in the 20s. Goes on the 20s, and then they'll say, I'll buy it in the teens. So like 12 cents, 17 cents. It's like, dude, when are you actually going to buy? Muna, welcome. I have 1,000 to be invested. Is it a correct time to buy Doge, or should you further wait? That is only a decision you can make. I just tell you what I do when I'm buying, and I buy on red dips, red candles. I buy on dips. Are we going to get a dip? Maybe. Looks like with the volume ticking down, we're starting to see a few little red candles here. Not huge, but so the hype from earlier today may be dying down just a little bit as we go into the evening. Looks like ADA's coming down a little too. Bitcoin, a little bit. Just the volume has really ticked down now. Peak had a nice day, Luca. It's probably ticking down a little too, I would guess. Again, a long way to go to come back. Yeah, still holding up here, 16.3 cents. X payments. I was saying fall 2025, and I'm still sticking with that. Both Linda Yaccarino and Elon said 2025. And so I said, well, knowing particularly Elon not being really good at planning in his schedules, so I said fall. And so that's when I put a big Dogecoin pump in, is for like October, November timeframe. That's my guess. I don't know anything, but that's my guess. Thank you, New World. We have fun here. Right. It's just speculation, Johnny. Exactly. Dogecoin is a collectible. Doesn't mean it can't be approved. Yeah, Shabir, a lot of people were selling though. So it wasn't just you. A lot of people sold and missed out on some pumps. So now you can only think about, well, what can I do about that now? Look for a dip, buy back in if you believe in those projects, or gives you a chance to buy into something else. like maybe some Dogecoin. Just saying. If Dogecoin at $1 is inevitable, then my Boston $1 Dogecoin party is inevitable. How about that? See you, Brian. I've got price predictions all over the place, Mr. Shah. Just look on my channel. Dogecoin made in the USA. Starship tomorrow. Yes, I will, as part of the live stream, be on until at least 6:30 East Coast time. So we will watch the Starship launch live on this channel right here. You won't be able to miss a thing. And we'll also watch the Dogecoin price and be talking crypto. So it'll be a great live stream tomorrow. And also, there will be another Dogecoin giveaway on Monday's live stream. All good. That's why you buy a little at a time. Dollar cost averaging, DCAing, little at a time. We are back. Thank you, Muna. Here all week. Having fun. Trying to. Monday, the ETF guys will buy more. So yeah, I'm guessing the Bitcoin and ETH ETFs will be up tomorrow. I'm guessing that. Trump token, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. It went up 9%. Yes. It's at 14. 0.0000014. I just don't think there's much there with SHIB. Trump still up 27%. Had a little sell-off, but looks like it's starting to turn around. Trump token, $16.71. So it just dipped below $17. We'll see. How much Doge do you hold? So my Dogecoin, it's probably 430,000 Dogecoin now. Something like that. My average price is probably still 7 cents, somewhere in that range. Crypto doesn't really wait for market opening. Yeah, I still think X payment is going to be like Q4. Things just always take longer than Elon thinks. Extended bull run into 2026. I don't know, Dan. There are some people who have guessed at that, but we got a long ways to go before we start thinking that. There are many who thought the bull run was already over and we were in a bear market. The giveaway will be on a Sunday. No, I already told everyone it wasn't going to be the top of the market. I'm getting it done in March. And let you guys do with your Doge what you want to do with it. Mr. Shaw, I don't know. 3,000 Doge, 20 cents, 100x? 100x? No. Dogecoin's not going to do 100x from here. And XLM just follows XRP. So I've never been a fan of XLM. Doesn't mean you can't make money on it, but I've never been a fan. Oh, ScopeX. You haven't heard me talk about XRP. I don't want to get into it right now, but there's just too many questions about XRP. Doge to the moon. Yeah. Mr. T, how are you? This week is going to be huge. All right. 11-hour drive to Boston, doable, especially for a Dogecoin party, right? You got to do that. You'll bring donuts? No, I'll provide the food. I'm paying for the food at the Dogecoin party. I personally think Doge doesn't need an ETF. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I mean, you think about it, what Dogecoin is. But if Bitwise and Grayscale think they can make money on it, that's why they applied. Yeah, we saw that aesthetic. That'll do that. You know, crypto goes up 50% in a day. So yeah, it flipped Doge. Doge can come back. 100x Doge party in Monaco. There we go. There's the 100x. Yes. Ah. Pax Cat, I don't know. He's around somewhere. He's not in my office here. No, the Bitcoin ETF was launched just a little over a year ago, right in the middle of the cycle. It's just the timing of it. I haven't seen you eat, Daryl. I'm providing food, so you decide. I want people to come, you know? Come, have a good time. I didn't say what kind of food. I said I'm providing food. Oh, Pax Cat's here. Hey, buddy. Come on in. I had the door closed. There you go, Pax Cat. Hey, buddies. How's everybody doing? Pax Cat in the house. Hey, buddy. Did you miss me? I'm busy here. I'm busy, buddy. I'm not doing Boston cream donuts at a Dogecoin. No. You want to come to the dollar Dogecoin party, Mr. Cat? It's not at my house. No, the party is not at my house. I'm not going to have a bunch of crypto degens taking over my house. Look at Dogecoin going up. 23.5, up now 14% for the day. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woke up looking for the broccoli. What's the outlook? Doge going up. Low volume and it's going up. That's a good sign. We don't see a lot of that, especially after a big run like we had earlier today. No meme coins. No New World. This is nice price action there on Doge. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Yeah, he just wanted to hang with his dad. What? Am I not paying enough attention? He's purring. It's a light purr. Yeah. Life is good. All right, guys, that's for today. Hey, we're ending on a big green candle here. Good day today. We will be looking for overnight. Have a video in the morning. I just got a notification from Robinhood. Dogecoin is up 17% to 23.6. Nice. All good. Yes. Rockets in the chat. Go for it. Always like that. Yeah, so video tomorrow and then a special live stream on Monday, which is not only going to have a Dogecoin giveaway, but also SpaceX, Starship, Big Heavy. We'll be watching that live as well. That is going to be awesome. I hope everyone has a great rest of your Sunday, and we'll see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.